Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Video number 2031. In this video, we are going to discuss a speaking order or a strange order given by the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana to stay the salaries of the public prosecutor and the investigating officer in a POcso Act case till 15/10/2022. The important point is the salaries, they will not be paid to the public prosecutor as well as the IO. Why? Because they have abjectly failed to conduct prosecution in a POcso Act case. You can read the case as Bunty versus State of Punjab in CRM-M number 12606 by 2022, decided on 12/9/2022 by single judge Rajbir Sherawat. He has decided the matter not to pay the salaries. So please remember, this relates to crime number 117 by 2018. That means 4 years back the case has been registered. 117 by 2018 registered under sections 363, that is kidnapping, 366A, kidnapping for the purpose of wrongful confinement, and 34 IPC. These are IPC sections. And section 6 of the POcso Act, that is aggravated sexual assault of Hoshiarpur City PS. The case relates to this FIR, right? So in this case, the accused was arrested and he has been languishing in the jail for the past 4 years. 4 years passed from the date of the issue of the FIR. But as far as the trial is concerned, only the prosecutrix has been partly examined. She was not subjected to cross-examination also. She is only partly examined. That means the other lawyer would not have been available. We don't know the correct reason. No other witness was examined. And it seems PP actually he expressed his inclination for actually adding section 319 CRPC. That is, so to add some other persons also as accused. Section 319 says, power of the court to proceed against other persons to be guilty of offense. So normally not only this person, he wanted to add some more persons. That is one aspect. But the case is pending. Why the case is pending? Actually, please remember, the liberty of the accused cannot be jeopardized by the carelessness or the casualness of the prosecution. So this is the observation of the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana. Actually, the allegation is, the brief facts of the FIR that the victim, I should not tell her name, so she was eloped by Mr. Bunty. Both of them moved together. They stayed together. They visited several places. He stayed with him for 1 full week by visiting several places, and they stayed in hotels, and definitely the conjugal definitely would have taken place. So please remember, in this connection, what more is necessary? So prosecution abjectly failed in its duty of conducting the prosecution appropriately. Fair justice, speedy justice, that too is a case of POcso Act. The camera, even the trial will be held in camera as per section 327 CRPC. So many provisions are there, but still the prosecution is not able to surge forward. It is moving on a snail's pace. This is what is observed by the Honorable High Court of Punjab. So please remember, and moreover, the so-called Bunty, he is not at all required for any further investigation. 4 years have passed away, no witness has been fully examined. This is the state of affairs in the case. Then whose fault it is? So definitely it is the fault of the public prosecutor as well also the investigating officer, because production of witnesses is the prime job of the investigating officer, where both of them failed. So therefore now the Honorable High Court was pleased to release him on bail. This is one aspect. Secondly, the salary of the PP and the IO, they remain stayed. They will not be paid. The matter is posted to 15/10/2022 because a report is asked from the government about the progress of the case and about the steps taken to hasten the prosecution and other things. So actually this is a slap on the face of the IO as well as the prosecution also. Court has gone to such a serious step which you are not supposed to give scope. So please remember, if any prosecutor happens to see this video, or if any police officer happens to see this video, please take it as a good lesson and take it as an experience and don't do such mistakes. With this, I am stopping. Thank you very much.